Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic8 Pro, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find users and accounts. So here we've got our currently added Google account, so let me first of all remove it. Just tap on Google, tap on remove, and tap on remove. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Of course, if you've got the screen lock, you will have to enter to confirm the whole step. Here we can also tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and here you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And tap on next. So right here we have to enter the password. So do it and then tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.